Hello everyone and welcome to break 1890 for the 2019 Gold Rush Hockey Vault Pack. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Monday, April 27th, 2020. It's 10:26 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:26 p.m. Central Time, and 7:26 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Robbie Light with 12 spots. We have Mitch 2, DG 3, Ken 7, Mule 2, Gardney 4, Card Spot 1 spot that we're going to randomize 7 times to determine our team or teams for the break. We have Robbie Light on top, Card Spot bottom once, twice, 3 times 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Mule on top, Robbie Light on the bottom. Alright, Mule with the Ducks, Robbie Light, Coyotes, Bruins, Mule Sabres, Ken with the Flames, Robbie Light, Hurricanes, Ken Blackhawks, Robbie Light Avalanche, DG Blue Jackets, Robbie Light Stars, Ken Red Wings, DG Oilers, Ken Panthers, Mitch Kings, Robbie Light Wild, Ken with the Canadians, Gardney Predators, Robbie Light Devils, McCard Spot Islanders, Robbie Light with the Rangers, Senators, Gardney with the Flyers, Robbie Light with the Penguins, Gardney with the Blues, Kenneth with the Shark, Mitch Lightning, Robbie Light Leafs, Gardney Canucks, Ken Golden Knights, DG Capitals, and Robbie Light with the Winnipeg Jets. Alright guys, good luck. All sealed up. Whichever team's on the card, that's where the card will go. And if someone's retired, so they played for the longest. Let's see what we have. Check. Wow. Wow. Mario Lemieux auto, Tom Barrasso auto, 1 of 2. Check that out for the Pittsburgh Penguins. What a way to start the night off. Mario Lemieux, Tom Barrasso, 1 of 2. That is sweet. Penguins. I guess nowhere does it technically say it's the Penguins, so for fun here, we'll look up Mario and Tom Barrasso. But check that out. That's awesome. Whether you like hockey or not, that's awesome. Alright, so nowhere does it technically say that it's going to the Penguins, so let's keep things consistent here. Pittsburgh. And Tom Barrasso is wearing black and gold. And that's also Pittsburgh. Congrats, whoever has Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh Penguins going to Robbie Light. Congrats, Robbie Light, on the 1 of 2. 1 of 2. Tom Barrasso, Mario Lemieux auto from the 2019 Gold Rush Hockey Vault Pack. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to click that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay. Please leave us feedback on eBay, and you'll find us on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon, and stick around for the bonus break spot. And then we're on to break 1894 for the 2020 Topps Archives 6 Series Active Player Edition. Thanks.